Hello dear students, today we will discuss MCQs about computer science. Let's start without delay. First question, MIS is designed to provide information needed for effective decision making by consumers, workers, foremen, managers. Correct answer is managers, option D. Next question. The world's first computer, UNIVAC, stands for Unique Automatic Computer, Unvalued Automatic Computer, Universal Automatic Computer, Universal Array Computers. C option पे C option Universal Automatic Computer. The basic operations performed by a computer are arithmetic operation, logical operation, storage and relative, all of the above. Correct answer D, all operations A, B, C performed. Yes. Correct answer, all of the above. When did John Napier develop logarithm? 1460, 1640, 1641, 1804. B option 1614 AD. The two major types of computer chips are external memory chips, primary memory chips, microprocessor chips, both B and C. Correct answer is both B and C, primary memory chips and microprocessor chip. Which of the following is a storage device? Tape, hard disk, floppy disk. D पे all of the above. Correct answer is all of the above. Tape, hard disk, floppy disk are storage devices. Microprocessors as switching devices are for which generation computers? First generation, fourth generation, third generation, second generation. Correct answer B, fourth generation microprocessor. What does DMA stands for? Distinct memory access, direct memory access, direct module access, direct memory allocation. B option, direct memory access. ASCII and EBCDIC are the popular characters coding system. What does EBCDIC stands for? Extended binary coded decimal interchange code, extended bit code decimal interchange code, extended bit case decimal interchange code, extended binary case decimal interchange code. Correct answer is A, extended binary coded decimal interchange code. The brain of any computer system is ALU, memory, CPU, RAM. CPU is the brain of any computer system. C option. Storage capacity of magnetic disk depends on tracks per inch of surface, bits per inch of tracks, disk pad in disk surface, all of the above. Correct answer is all of the above. The two kinds of main memory are primary and secondary memory, random and sequential memory, ROM and RAM, all of the above. ROM and RAM are two kinds of main memory. C option. What characteristics of read-only memory ROM makes it useful? ROM information can be easily updated. Data in ROM is non-volatile, that is, it remains there even without electrical power. ROM provides very large amount of inexpensive data storage. ROM chips are easily swapped between different brands of computers. Main characteristics of ROM in option B, data in ROM is non-volatile, that is, it remains there even without electrical power. Option B. RAM is primary non-volatile memory, primary volatile memory, all of the above, none of the above. B option, primary volatile memory. RAM is primary volatile memory. ROM is primary non-volatile memory. B option, primary volatile memory. All of the above, none of the above. ROM is primary non-volatile memory. A option. The amount of vertical space between lines of text in a document is called double space, line spacing, single space, vertical spacing. Correct answer is B, line spacing. A storage area used to store data to compensate for the difference in speed at which the different units can handle data is memory, buffer, accumulator, address. Correct answer B, buffer. A computer can't boot if it doesn't have the compiler, loader, operating system, assembler. C option, operating system. A computer can't boot if it does not have the operating system. Computer is free from tiredness and boredom. We call it accuracy, reliability, diligence, versatility. Correct answer is diligence. What type of computers are client computers? Mainframe, mini computer, microcomputer, PDA. Correct answer is microcomputer. Microcomputers are called client computers. Integrated circuits, ICs, are related to which generation of computers? First generation, second generation, third generation, fourth generation. Correct answer is third generation. Integrated circuits are related to third generation computers. CAD stands for Computer Aided Design, Computer Algorithm for Design, Computer Application in Design, Computer Analog Design. Option A, Computer Aided Design. CAD stands for Computer Aided Design. CD-ROM is a semiconductor memory, memory register, magnetic memory, secondary memory. Correct answer D option, secondary memory. Which of the following is a part of the central processing unit? Printer, keyboard, mouse, and arithmetic and logic unit. G. Yes, which of the following is a part of central processing unit? Part of CPU, printer, keyboard, mouse, arithmetic and logic unit. D option pick. Correct answer D option, arithmetic and logic unit. A hybrid computer resembles digital computer resemble analog computer or resemble both a digital and analog computer, none of the above. C option, a hybrid computer resembles both a digital and analog computer. Hope you will find the MCQs helpful to your exams. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.